Unlock the power of Java applications on your Windows PC by learning how to easily run and open jar files. First, let's make sure you have the essential tool Java Runtime Environment, or JRE, to check if it's installed. Open your File Explorer and type command prompt into the search bar. Select the command prompt application. In the command prompt, type Java version and press enter. If you see version information, you're good to go. If not, you'll need to install the JRE. Head to a trusted Java download website, search for Java Runtime Environment download, and follow the on-screen instructions to install it for Windows. Now, to open your jar file, the simplest method is to double-click it. If your JRE is correctly installed and associated with jar files, it should launch the application automatically. If double-clicking doesn't work, or if you want to specify which program opens it, right-click the jar file from the context menu. Select Open with. You'll see a list of available programs. If Java TM Platform SC binary is listed, select it and click Always use this app to open jar files for future convenience. If Java isn't in the initial list, choose another app, then click More Apps and scroll down to look for another app on this PC. Navigate to your Java installation directory, typically in Program Files or Program Files by 86. Find the bin folder and select the Java executable file. Finally, tick Always use this app to open jar files and click OK. Sometimes you might encounter issues if the jar file is corrupted. Try re-downloading it if you're still having trouble. Ensure your JR is up to date. You can also try running it using the command prompt. Open command prompt. Navigate to the folder containing your jar file using commands like cd for change directory, and then type java jar jar file name and press enter. Remember to replace your jar file name with the actual name of your file. And that's it. You're now equipped to run and open jar files, giving you access to a world of Java applications on your Windows system. Subscribe for more helpful Windows tips and tricks.